Welcome back to Value Investing in Growing Companies. Hi, my name is John, and in this lecture we will be looking at the two different types of investing: the fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Let's look at the meanings of both approaches. Fundamental analysis is evaluating a company's stock to find its intrinsic value and analyze financial statements and ratios that can affect the price in the future. Technical analysis, on the other hand, is the statistical method used by investors in professional softwares to find patterns and predict future move of stock based on past market and price data. Now let's look at what are the key factors that are the backbone for these approaches. The fundamental analysis looks at the financial data of the companies. This includes the income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement. The data included in these statements depicts the true performance of the company. Fundamental analysis also looks at the industry trends in the market. If any industry is doing well in the country, let's say, if the construction is on the rise, the cement and steel sectors would be performing well. Here we would experience growing prices of all the cement and steel stocks. We, as investors, should look at a comparison of these companies' ratios and performance according to the data provided by the financial websites, and choose the best stock. This will help us gain more than any other cement and steel stock in the region. Another factor we should also look at is the competitors' or peer performance. This is very important as we need to look at the best stock among all the industry and competitors. Lastly, we need to look for financial growth of the company. This can be done using financial, valuation and business analysis, which we will cover later in the course. Now let's move on to technical analysis. Technical analysis is the study on the price movement of a share. There are now dozens of softwares available in the market that can be used to do technical analysis. Technical analysis can be further divided into two different categories: the chart analysis and mathematical analysis. The chart analysis is a visual analysis based on different charts. There are various studies on charts that included a complete range of study on candlesticks, movement of bars, line charts, etc. A lot of technical analysts use only chart patterns for trading only. Another field of technical analysis is mathematical or statistical analysis. This analysis is based on mathematical ratios proposed by their theorists back in time. There are now hundreds of different mathematical indicators available in the market. These indicators indicate if a share is in oversold region or overbought region. The main goal of the fundamental analysis is to find the intrinsic value of the company, whereas the main goal of technical analysis is to find the right time to enter or exit based on the past and current trend of the stock price. I hope you learned the difference between technical and fundamental analysis. Although we have talked briefly on both the methodologies, you can find a lot of books related to fundamental and technical analysis by various authors in the market. One thing is for sure: the fundamental analysis has always beaten the technical analysis in the long term. Just keep this in mind. In the next lecture, we will be looking at different type of companies, different type of approaches, and the final approach we will be looking at for our journey on our stock hunt in value investing in growing companies. Till then, happy investing.